right? The unboxing.
Yes, sir.
I believe.
Yeah.
Woo! Virgin.
Virgin. There you go.
Look at that.
MST performance. All right.
Then this one is another heat shield.
And you had experience with your Takeda.
Takeda. Oh yeah,
intake,
intake.
ba?
Yeah, for my Acura.
Here, brother.
Yeah.
So Nick is the right guy
Yes, sir.
to help us
We
with
have
this.
all the hardwares, the hose clamp. And we got the
The
what is
inlet,
this?
the turbo inlet pipe.
Yeah, okay. Cool. Put it aside.
Okay.
Intake. And then we got the air filter.
There you go.
3 inches, every 1, 2. Yeah,
Yeah.
the diameter. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
take note of this one.
Oh, barasig na pilo gamay.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
We're connecting the hose inlet to the turbo. The hose breather, yeah, goes here. Position the
That's the right position.
yeah.
Ah, there you go. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, making sure. Okay, and so this is the trickiest part. Done.
There you go. So we're taking off
The sensor for the air intake. Okay, black on black, brother. Yeah, see, it should be easy to go in. So you can see, this size of this one is T15.
T15.
Yeah, no need for power tools. Then you want to double check it work. See, this is the hose breather. The hose breather, guys, be very careful because plastic, it's fragile. Okay, I'm feeling the bottom. Dude, the airflow in this one is gonna be insane. If you want the the stock one connected, you will use this one. But since you don't need it, so these two guys right here, see, I just know it washer because why make it complicated?
So another Nick technique.
Yeah.
Reverse the nut so it doesn't fall off. There you go.
So you can see, don't have this. Struggle a little bit for real. We gotta get the long nose.
Let's see.
So you're supporting it at the same time, guys. It's like a doctor. Scalpel.
Scalpel, please. There you go.
Guys, carefully. I'm a doctor.
Carefully.
Doctor of a Supra.
There
Okay.
you go.
Without breaking it.
Perfect.
So with this one right here, it's connected to here. See that?
So this one over
Yeah, I'm gonna take that out. What size is that? Let me see. Don't tell me.
here. What is it?
Size 13.
No second guessing. Right?
We're just losing this nut right here so that we can connect the heat shield, or taking it off. We'll take this one out back, then I'm gonna tighten this one because I gotta reposition the intake. It's gonna be like that.
There you go.
See? So now I don't have to go bros 4-speed. I see, but you know, I find it easy.
Easier that way.
Yeah, easier that way. I'm gonna go like this. Now I can tighten the clamp. Actually, with this one, since there's no space on top, I gotta do it on the bottom. Again, feel it? It's another way of feeling it inside.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
So the metal. And
Yeah.
The rubber.
So
Nice.
position again. Look at this.
Position the hose clamp.
Yeah. So if we're tightening it, once it's positioned, look at that. Slap. Oh, because this one goes here. Okay, gotcha. That's, yeah. Again, the technique that nobody thinks about it, but I do.
So all the way around, guys, so it's easier. And we're using which one again?
12, just 6 point. There you go. Steady. So this one again. Oh, 12 also. So with this, it's gonna go right here, bro. So again, perfect. Making sure all the heat shield is covered. one, gonna tighten this one since we already tightened the bottom part. So right now we're just gonna reposition the clamp. Easy to be removed and align actually, just like that. Okay. Hand tight until you feel pressure. That's it.
What's the size of that one? From your...
I believe mine's 2 inches. Oh, it is. 2 inches.
All right.
You're thinking something else, bro. the bridge.
Not ready for that.
Okay, we'll put this one back.
Okay.
And then
Only the last inch matters, bro.
Yeah. See, just by hand. That's it. Boom. Another one. So 1, 2, 3, and then this one right here. Tight. Let's turn. That's it. Heck yeah! I should have just leave it like that, bro.
There you go.
Sponsor us, please.
MST V3.
Yeah. So one at a time, but this one should be underneath. That's like that when I aligned it. Hand tight, in progress. We already tightened everything from the bottom to the middle to the top, and then now we're putting this one back. Let's see, just like that, clip. This one's tight. Basically, that's it. Actually, those zip ties, you can zip ties right here. This is the work of a mechanic doing a 6-wheeler diesel mechanic. That is it.
Okay, there you go. Hey!
Ano na ba?
Alright.
Play. Sakit kato kayo.
Okay, salon pass. I see how
Bro.
to sponsor us.
Alright, time to wrap it up.
Let's turn it on, baby.
Turn it on. There we go. Yeah. Pretty nice, bro. Difference ka na, bro?
Wala pa ko nadunggan. Naa ba?
Na.
Oh, na. We finally made it, guys. Nick successfully installed the MST V2 intake.
Hell yeah, baby.
Right there. I know it's covered, but it's in there.
Yep.
And then we got the charge pipe, the FTP charge pipe. Little dent here, but that's not a problem, you know. We got Nick Tips, Snap-on USA. We got the lights, and yeah, that's gonna wrap up our video for today. Hopefully, you're gonna subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Put your comments in there. Very swift install, around 2 hours, right? Somewhere there.
Not bad, actually.
We didn't run any into issues.
First time doing it.
And we got all the tools ready. And take it easy. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.
Peace out.